Hello, welcome to Keto Classic. So my name is John Gallagher and I've been doing really great on the keto diet and I do not know what I'm doing. So I'm not here to give any exact, diet advice. Maybe later I'll tell you what I've been doing, how I lost 30 pounds over the holidays. I'm down 40 pounds since November and this is late February now. But right now, today, I'm going to make a Cajun shrimp and Cajun sausage Creole. I was going to make a shrimp scampi with maybe some zucchini noodles, but the zucchini didn't look very good. So I have, kind of throwing some leftovers together and throwing some stuff together. And just stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have some red bell pepper, some celery. I'm going to serve it over top of this riced veggies that I bought at the store. And then I have a whole bunch of seasoning. Black pepper, parsley, some seasoning, salt. I have some shrimp, and I'm going to use a few tablespoons of spaghetti sauce. And then my leftover is I have some French onion soup that's left over, and I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. So let's get started. So I have some olive oil in a pan warming up. I took the casings off this sausage. I got this sausage from the local butcher's. It's a Cajun sausage. I have never had it before. Oh, there's a little more casing. I'll take that off. I do not know how greasy the sausage is, how much fat that's in it, how much is going to come out. So we're going to let that cook for a while. And then I'll start adding everything else. As soon as this cooks for a while, everything's going in and we're getting this done fast because I'm hungry. So I tasted my sausage and it's pretty hot. So if I want some Tabasco, I'll add it later. Got to put my vegetables in. More garlic definitely won't hurt. Some basil because basil's not hot. Thyme's not hot. I'm probably going to not add any salt. Let's make some room for the shrimp. And the reason I crumbled up the sausage is just for it to cook faster. I mean, if you want to leave it, whole in big pieces, more traditional Cajun, that would be cool. Little seasoning salt on the shrimp. That's all the salt I'm adding, at least for now. Yeah, let's go for some black pepper. We're gonna let this cook. We'll let this cook and then I'll finish her up. So I just cooked the shrimp a little bit, of course they cook fast. So I have some leftover French onion soup and that's going right in there. And then a couple tablespoons of spaghetti sauce. And yes, I understand that there's carbs in there. I don't ever count my macros, or I'll never count carbs like that, or it's just not that important to me. Oops. So, yeah, the reason I have French onion soup, I made French onion soup for you guys, and I didn't have the button turned on the camera to film it, so that's one that we're going to have to do another time. But that's alright. Now normally if I wasn't You know, on keto, I'd have more tomato in there. Let's turn that down. And something else you could add would be like okra, of course. You know, obviously you could leave the sausage in, you know, bigger pieces. But I'm pretty good with that. We're gonna let that cook and plate it up. I think I'm gonna add some parsley to it. Add some parsley. And that's lunch. So I just let it cook together a little bit. And yeah, this is enough for 2 people. To tell you the truth though, there's no one else here. And am I gonna save it? No, I'm probably gonna end up eating all of this. But it's not necessarily a single portion. And there you go. I'm ready to eat. Thanks again.